Good morning, dear students. This is IK Misra, your mathematics teacher. Students, due to COVID-19 virus rapidly spreading, our administration, our state administration, district administration decided to close the school. Students, in this period, we are unable to go to the school physically. And students, in this period, only one way I will teach you by online method. So students, today in this video I will start your classes. In this class I will discuss, I will complete your initial chapter, that will be introduction, and I think you have already studied about all of these points topic in previous classes. Students, chapter 1, number system, and I think you know something about number system as counting numbers, natural numbers, something in previous classes, 5 classes. Students, in this video mainly I will discuss here revision session, that means how will you write the number name in word and figures. So students, know or study carefully and complete your notebook. When I complete the video and I give you homework, then send your homework on my personal number. So students, let's now start. Students, as this chapter name, number system. So first of all we have to know about numbers. And students, you start counting 1 2 3 4 5. This is the numbers, and I think you know in previous classes. Here students, first of all we have to write the number in Hindu Arabic system and another system like international system. In this video mainly you will have to learn about these things. So students, suppose here a number I write. Students, you have to write this number notation in word, and here in this are written in the figure form. Students, here for according to Hindu Arabic notation, here first Hindu Arabic notation of numbers. Students, according to Hindu Arabic notation, first of all we categorize the digits period. That means students, here suppose in this number here 4 digits 1 2 3 4. That means students, here according to Hindu Arabic notation, here periods be here from the right side. That means this is called unit place. Here 3 digit periods from the right is called unit period. Here this is the unit period. Ones period. So sorry. Here ones. And students, in ones period here unit. Here this is the tens, here 100. And students, after that in the Hindu Arabic notation, first period is of 3 digits, and after that another periods of 2 digits, and here 2 digit period, here 2 digits period, here this is the period of thousand period. Friends, here thousands period, 2 digits are in thousand period, and here both of these and this in thousand period, and read as both ones. Friends, here another 2 digits period is lakh, and another periods here 2 digit periods we crore, crores, lakhs. Clear, friends? Now and so on, as you know that friends, this is the period of numbers. Suppose here some numbers, here numbers is written, that means you can write here 3 digits 6, 3, 2 and 5. Here friends, 6, 3, 2 is collectively read as here 600 100, because 6 at the place of 100, so it will be read as 632. 2 periods, tens period and unit periods is written collectively. So students, here 32 and 600, and this period, this number is at the place of 1000 period, so it will be read as 5000. That means all of these number will be read as 5632, and I think students you can write easily all of the numbers. Here I write some numbers and I give you to write, pause the video, and first of all write the number name in your notebook. Here I write some numbers. Here students, here 4 numbers I write. Students, here you have to write and send your classwork, homework on my WhatsApp number, and I think when you understand this thing, then you will complete your exercise. But in this exercise you have to know some more things. And now students, you have to know about another system in which we write the name of the numbers. But before knowing that system, I discuss some important points, that is place value, face value. Students, here I write a number, suppose, and students, here you have to say write the face value. Here question is write the face value of 3 in the given number. Friends, face value, that means numbers face is written on this number, digits face. Here this face value is that digits value. That means always remember, face value of any digit is that digit. That means here friends, in this number face value of 3 is here 3. If you have to ask, write the face value of these digits, here 6. So friends, these digits face value is 6. That means face value of any digits, that means that digits is that's face value. And students, here another question, place value. That means students, first of all know which place that digit is exist. Students, suppose here you have to write the place value of 3. Here students, place value, that means you have to understand where 3 is situated in the given number. Its place is what? Here it's this place is, as you know, that unit, ones, unit place, ones place. Here this place is tens place, and this place is at the 100 place. 100 place. So students, its value, place value be digit, that means place value of 3 is equal to 3 into, and its value is 100, that means multiply 100. Its place value will be 300. Clear students? The place value of 3 in the given number is 300. Suppose we have to write the place value of 4. Here place value of 4 is in the given question. Here units 10, 100. Here 1000 period. This is the period of 1000, and here 46,000. That means here students, you can write here 4 into here thousands period. That means here at the place 40, that means 40,000. Clear students? 40,000. Its place value is 40,000. 4 and 4 zeros. Clear students? Similarly, you can write the place value and face value of any digits in the given number. Here, this type of questions is already given in your exercise of your book. Students, when you have to ask what is the smallest number of 1 digits. Here 1 digits number is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here all of these numbers have only 1 digit, but from starting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Students, all of these number to 99. Students, all of these number have 2 digits. So students, when you have to ask what is the smallest number of 1 digit. So students, here a smallest digit, a smallest number, counting number is starting from 1. So a smallest number is 1, and largest 1 digit number is 9. Here question is largest 1 digit number is 9. Clear students? Largest 1 digit number is 9. Similarly, here a smallest 2 digit number, here a smallest 2 digit number is 10, and largest 2 digit number is 99. And similarly students, you will have to to write the digits name, a smallest digit of 4 digit, 5 digits, so on. So students, I think you will complete this type of questions. Now students, proceed to know another system, to know write the notation, write the number in words as well as figure. So another system is students. Here now we will study about international system of notation of number. As I told, in Hindu notation, digits period is created, and here there from the right in first 3 digits period, and that is called ones period, and after that all of the periods B was 2 digits. 1000 period, lakhs period, crores period, and so on. Students, in this international system, here all of the digits, all of the period of 3 digits, Students, here first three digits, here suppose some digits is put in a number. Here this period is called ones period in the international system. Here ones period, and all of three digits are called collectively, are read as collectively. Here students, after that another three digits, here first three digits and here another three digits, 1 2 3. This digits period is called thousands period. Thousands period. Now another three digits, 1 2 3. Here another three digits period is not lakhs period. Here this period is called millions period. That means these three digits are called million period. That means that will be read. Now we'll discuss here. Now another period, another three digits period, here 1 2 3. This period is known as billions period. Now students, here another periods also known as trillion and so on. So students, here mainly you will have to study about ones period, thousand period, million period and billion period. Suppose I put here some digits, here 2 1 1 6 2 5 3 1 2 9 2 8. And so here you have to write the name. Suppose here this period, here this period of billions period, that means you will read as 839. Here name notation in word notation, where in words, here this three digits period is read as billion period and read as 839 billion 839 billion. Here three digits, that means 213 millions. Here thousands period, that means it will be read as 526 thousands. And here in last, here you write here 112 and 112. Clear students? Similarly, you can write the name of the number in international period. Suppose I here write a small number. Here students, you have to write the number notation according to international system in word. Here students, here periods of three digits. Here first three digits at ones period. Here last, here another two period of thousands. And here this is the million period. Millions. So students, its name be 2 million 2 millions 463 463,000 because this is the period of thousands. 463 thousands and 242. 242. Clear, students? Similarly, you can write the name in Indian system and international system as the question given in your exercise 1A of RS interval. I think, students, when you watch this video, I think you will complete your exercise 1A. If any problem, then immediately call me, contact me, and I suggest you call at any doubts at any time, at the school time or before 2 p.m. Clear, students? So students, this class is over. That's all. Thank you.